Hey, welcome to SC Custom Designs. One of my subscribers this morning said something to the effect of, I would love to see the roof rack on the car. Those are my words. By the way, if you haven't seen our new t-shirts, it's simple, it's white, this particular one, but we have our new sign on there. This is year 3 for SC Custom Designs. We've got 2 shows coming up. So I'll just get all the business out of the way. If you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel. We'd be thrilled to have you on board. Okay, so what in the world are we looking at? Why don't we start off the video by just going very slowly around, and then I'll break it down. You can see that this guy's been on there for a while. Okay, now, so we'll do a high-level overview, and then we'll break it down. It's very bright out today, so hopefully I'm doing this okay. It's cloudy and bright. All right, hopefully the wood rack speaks for itself. And I have a modification to the unit. The original unit had on this unit here extended out, and you know what I did continuously. Boom, right on the head. So it actually made it easier to slide on the material. So I made this unit, hopefully it's obvious, for the purposes of transporting wood. Okay, so there's our sign. I got to get another sign too. Very proud of this unit. These are bear caddies that we made. All right, let's break it down now. Why do I have this unit? Essentially, you can see that I have a RAV 4, and so how are you going to efficiently and safely get that wood home using just this? Ain't gonna happen, my friends. I used to spend hours, I say that, I'm a little dramatic, lots of time, with no exaggeration. I would spend a good 30 minutes securing the wood up there. All right, so now I can just set the wood. So for 4x8s, bam. You can see that that'll very comfortably fit there, 4x8s. Just got that guy in the middle. Had to do it. If I had to do it again and to modify this, I'd put more of those. I'd put 2 more of those, or at least spread that guy out a little bit. So I'd put some more support in the middle. Another modification, which I didn't think about, is this is way too low to the car. Okay, so from here to here, this needs to go up at least to here. Why? Because when you go to put your clamps on, you can't get clamps under here. If I want to clamp under here and clamps, you never know what you're going to come home with, right? So that was a problem. So I would make it higher. All right, so let's break it down. Very simple construction, very crude but effective. These are just butt joints. I could have done rabbet, so on and so forth, various other finger, dovetail, but I just basically glued it and screwed it with these fasteners here. You can see that I notched out for this piece. There's no way I ever wanted this thing to be compromised sliding backward forward, so that's notched out and fit into. Also, these guys are notched out. I really just ballparked the notches, as you probably have seen already. So it's not custom. I was really in a hurry when I did this. And what I should have done is, as soon as I got the base unit done, which is just this frame here, I should have brought it out to the car and then custom notched it, drew the lines out. So, but at the end of the day, my friends, it isn't going anywhere. And this probably, when I set this on and off, I do it real quick. Let me show you how I fasten it to the rack. Real easy. I just take this fastener here, and of course I bored into this metal, the rack, and then I just put this down in there. I actually have the bit for this in the car, so I just get my jar and go whoop, and it comes right out. Okay, so the unit is very simple in construction, very effective and safe for me. And the obvious stop locks in the front, just in case something came loose. Okay, I got to stop my video. hopefully this, if you have any questions about this, please let me know. I'd love to answer the questions. So hopefully you like this video. Thank you, subscriber, for asking me or just advising you'd like to see this on the car. So here you go. Take care. Again, if you like what you see, subscribe to my channel. Welcome new subscribers. We got 2 on Friday, so we're very happy about that. Thank you. Bye.